In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to open a Revolut account. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So the first step is going to be for us to actually go into our Revolut app. And if you don't already have a Revolut app, then you can always get it on the App Store or Google Play Store. Because unfortunately we need to do this on the app. It doesn't work to do it outside of the app, just so you know. And now when you're on the app, then what you're going to do is to just simply, if you don't already have an account, of course, you will just need to click where it says sign up. As you can see, it should have a button down below right here where it says sign up now. And when you have done so, then what you're going to do after that, as you can see, you will need to now verify your phone number. So it's going to ask you for your phone number, so make sure that you actually do provide them with a correct phone number and then click on sign up. And what you're going to do after that, as you can see, you need to provide them with a country of your residence. So for example, if what kind of country that you live in right now, you will need to make sure it's correct. And then when you're done, just click on sign up securely, as you can see. And the next step is going to be for you to fill out your first name and your last name and then click on continue. What will happen after that is that you will then need to verify your ID with Revolut and make sure that you have actually entered all of the details before correctly, because if you haven't, then the ID verification will not work, just so you know. But when you have actually done the ID verification, then you will be able to sign up for Revolut if everything is accepted, of course. And that is exactly how to do this.